Okay, this recording is to help you with lesson 4.06, graphs of the other trigonometric functions. Alright, so we're going to start off by trying to find the graph of secant. Remember, if you were to use your graphing calculator for this, that the secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So it would be 1 over cosine of x divided by 2. Alright, and we know that cosine is using the period of 2 pi over b. So b in this case is 1/2, because that's what would be in front of your x value here. So 2 pi over 1/2, when we divide our fractions there, we end up getting 4 pi. So the only graph that looks like it has a period of 4 pi and matches the secant graph is graph G. Number 3 is the tangent graph, and we all should know what the tangent graph looks like right now. Tangent has a different period. It's the only one that's a little bit different. Tangent and cotangent, that is. And that is pi over b. So pi over b is what we use for our period. So that is pi over 2. And it looks like graph F matches tangent of 2x. So again, you can use your graphing calculator, and it should match up with graph F. For number 5, cotangent, remember that is the reciprocal of tangent. So if you're to use your graphing calculator, you'd have to type 1 over tangent of pi x divided by 2. And remember that your tangent has a period of pi over b. So in this case, b is pi over 2. And when I divide those fractions out, I actually get just 2 for my period. And that seems to match up with graph B. Next, we want to graph or find the graph of negative cosecant x. Remember, cosecant x is the reciprocal of sine. So really we're looking for negative 1 divided by sine of x. And the period, remember, is 2 pi over b. And b in this case is a positive 1. The negative sign does have, it does refer to the reflection. So there is a reflection over the x-axis. And it looks like it matches graph E. And then the last one, use a graphing utility to graph the two equations. Remember, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. We need to verify the result analytically, so let's use our algebra here. We know, like I just said, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So it's sine x times 1 over sine. When we multiply those out, we get sine x over sine x, which reduces to a positive 1. So when we graph these two equations, they're actually the exact same line of y equaling 1.